This is episode 5 of Going for the Prestige. And we're doing domination on drone. And I'm starting off with my favourite gun, the DSR-50. And if I play well, then I'm going to stick with it. If I don't, then I'm going to change to the MP7 probably. Come on. Come out of your hiding places. Oh, what? Oh, he's right at the back there. Like that, the freaking back. Okay, so... There we go. I think that got payback. No? Okay. What the hell's that sound? What the hell is that? That was quite strange. This is really weird. It sounds like someone's farting. So I'm finding it really hard not to laugh there. What the hell is that? Will someone message me in the comments what that is? Please. It's really freaking me out. No, I'm kidding, it's not freaking me out. Freaking hell, what is that? Okay. What is that? Is there anything there? No. I don't really care about my kills and deaths right now. What the hell is it? Is it gonna do this for the whole freaking match? Oh my days. Yeah, I really need someone to comment me saying what that sound is. Oh, come on. I really want to know what that sound is. Why is he muted? It seems to be louder in here. Hang on. Oh no, that's just a tower. No scoped! And I had 500 kills with sniper rifles. But I couldn't really care less, I just want to know what this freaking sound is. Oh, I was trying to get another no scope. What is it?
Oh god.
I keep thinking it's going, but then it just comes back. Okay. Oh my days. Okay. Oh, come. I've died 11 times just because I'm... No, it's not that, that's a UAV. I think it's some sort of bug. Like a fly... No, not like a fly, like a moth. A moth slash cricket. Okay, now it sounds like they're laughing. I think it actually... No. I was going to say it could be someone with their mic on trying to distract me. But, hang on. He's got his mic on. Okay, I muted him and it's still there, so it's not him. I couldn't care less if that... Oh, it wasn't me. Is this gonna happen for the rest of the freaking match? I can't stand this sound. Why you not let me into the tunnel? Yeah, me and Rapid Smarties, pretty sick name, are going to what's it called? Snipe them. I can't concentrate with this sound. Oh, double. Oh, I can't concentrate. I reckon these guys just like muted it so they can't listen to it. That's why they're playing well. I might actually get my controller and mute the freaking telly. Right, screw it. I've muted the telly. That is how bad it's got. I'm just gonna sit. Oh my days, I just give up. I'm just gonna keep it on because I'm kind of getting used to the sound, I think. Right, please someone message me in the comments what this is, because if I don't find out soon it's going to actually drive me crazy. I'm going to go freaking mad. Nah. I thought for a second it was the hunter killer. This sounds like it's something with wings. No! I missed. Oh my days, my KD is so bad, but I'm kind of just constant. I couldn't really care less. I would die 100 times without a kill just to find out what this sound is. Oh, screw it, I'm going. Oh, my days. Oh. Oh, stupid knife. Sounds like the moths are now farting. That is how weird it's getting. And I don't think a moth can even fart. That was so my kill. Oh my days. Some guy said it's a moth. He agrees with me.
By the way, my FTV
Man.
Oh, somebody might.
Yeah. Shut up! Freak. I think there's loads. Oh my days. So yeah, please someone comment me what the sound was and like, subscribe, and peace. New. And yet the sound's still going on.